Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Canalino Elementary and Carpinteria Family School here in Carpinteria, California. And this is my fourth time coming to speak to the school, to the students and staff. And it started a few years back in person, then we did a virtual program last school year. Now I'm back live on site, and it was such an amazing morning and afternoon getting to talk to everyone about a very, very important topic. You can see it on the board behind me. I'm out in the spot where they eat lunch outside here, and the assemblies were in the main cafeteria area where we have some other programming that happens there too, with the stage and everything, with the sound system. But being outside here and seeing this board and a lot of other similar types of positive phrases all across this campus, it just really warms my heart, right? We see right here the poster. The focus today was all about leadership, turning our passion into our purpose, using our gifts, our abilities, what we love to do to go and help others, right? Our purpose, why we're here on this planet. And it says right here that peace begins with you. Some other great ideas to live by: respect others. We also have follow expectations, be kind always, and cooperate with others. And as leaders, right, we have to choose to follow the rules, to follow instructions, really listen to what our teachers are telling us, our coaches, right, even our parents, and, really just trying to always be positive in every area of our lives. But also knowing that if we want to see change around us, that does start with each of us, right? Choosing to be leaders. And some of us are loud leaders, like me. I talk a lot, right? Some of us, we lead with our voice, but other times we just lead with our actions, right? We just set a good example. And like the reason you see this shirt here with different colors is because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? And there's no right way or wrong way in particular to be a leader, just as long as we are choosing to be a good leader, right? Because that can become contagious. People around us will see that, and hopefully they'll want to also step into their leadership capabilities as well. The other reason that I wear this shirt for this assembly, this design that my friend and I created, is you see that this is also in the shape of a heart. And that means that we have to think about where our passions are, which is inside of our heart, right? That like the things that just bring us life and like that fire in our belly, the things that we just love to do. And then how can we use those things that we love to do, our passions, to go and be our purpose, why we're even here on this planet. And I remember having some students come up to me after some of my assemblies, one fourth grader in particular that just said she loves to read, right? And that's her passion. And now she wants to go help other younger students, some kindergarten students especially, learn how to read better, some that are struggling with reading, right? So she's gonna start to tutor them. And even at a young age, she's making a huge difference, right? Another student came up to me, a fifth grader, said, "Mr. Peace, I love basketball." And so he's using his passion for basketball, for sports, to now start helping out at some summer camps in the city where he lives to help first graders learn some new drills, right? To help coach them. And so we can already get the wheels turning at a young age and know that we can make a difference. Just one small action can make a huge difference. And to really believe that and know that the things that we do to help each other to really become leaders, some of these things we're not going to get paid money for or get cash for or get a trophy for or an award. We just do it because it's the right thing to do, right? So we don't just do things for the trophy. We know that we have to put people first and things second. Think about our priorities. What really, really matters in this world are the people around us. That's why we're here. Mark Twain, a famous author, said the two most important days in your life are the day that you're born and the day that you find out why. And our why are our classmates, our friends, our families, our dreams, our goals, our passions. We have to put those first, right? People first, the most important things first, and things second. And if we do that, then that means that we're also buying into all of us being worth everything, right? As leaders, knowing our potential, knowing our value, that ties into this. I talk about this in all my assemblies, but we all have with the lines on our hand, right? I trace one of mine here. And that M stands for miracle. Sometimes a faint line connects it. Upside down W stands for worthy. It means we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And if we believe this, now it's our job as leaders to go help others that maybe don't believe this or never been told this, that they are also miracles themselves, right? We need to be like other people's helping hands. When they need something, that we're really trying our best to go and help them. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., Dr. King, he said that life's most important question is, what are you doing for others, right? Being a leader is not just about ourselves. It's about thinking about others around us, right? How can we improve their lives? Because by doing that, it actually improves ours, right? The more that you give, you actually receive that much more, because it feels so good to do something nice for somebody else and to do the right thing even when no one's watching, right? There's so many opportunities where we could, goof off or, do something that's gonna just try to get a laugh in front of our friends, even though it's not the right thing to do. But even when adults aren't watching us at every minute, every second here on campus, we know what's right. Right? We know good behavior. We know what it means to have the courage, to have a strong foundation, strong principles, strong character, strong values, that we can choose to do the right thing no matter what. And we also need to be like a bowling ball versus a balloon. A balloon, someone that's just kind of airy, just kind of goes with the flow. Even if somebody's doing something negative, they might go do that because they're too afraid to stand up for what's right. But someone who's like a bowling ball has strong character, and they're going to make sure that they do the right thing. And they're going to go farther in life too, right? They're not going to be as affected, even if they hit some tough times, right? They got that real strong armor and strength about them, that they're going to be leaders. They're going to step into that role and know that they're going to hopefully set the right example for everybody around them. Again, though, just an amazing morning and afternoon. Thank you guys for touching my heart. I think everybody really was inspired today from the heartfelt stories that were shared, some of the positive music, also the inspirational videos, and hopefully, something really did touch your heart. And if it did, that means you have a big heart. So now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward, and knowing that peace begins with each and every one of you. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.